Hello friends, today we are going to review a hottest product of 2023. This June, ASUS announced the new Zenfone 10, a mighty smartphone with a 5.9-inch display and weight of 172 grams that redefines expectations for the compact form factor. I won't bother you with tedious introduction, let's get just down to business and explore the key features of that device. Let's go! Zenfone 10 heralds a new era where compact means powerful and small is a new big. It's available in 5 Cosmos-inspired colors: Steady Blue, Midnight Black, Aurora Green, Eclipse Red and Comet White. We love our planet, and so does Zenfone 10. Its bio-based polycarbonate back cover reduces our use of petrochemical and helps in our mission to minimize our carbon footprint. The packaging is eco-friendly as well, made of recycled paper with soap-based inks. Thanks to the power-efficient CPU and components, we've improved Zenfone 10's battery life up to 13%, even though it has the same battery capacity of 4300 mAh as its predecessor. We also added a new 30 watts hypercharge capability for maximum charging performance via USB-C. Wireless charging via any Qi-compatible charger is now supported as well. Until today, smartphone users have had to choose between compact or powerful, but the mighty Zenfone 10 changes everything. It's designed for effortless one-handed operation. On its right side there are volume control and the power button with a built-in fingerprint sensor, and ZenTouch 2.0 technology for quick and easy access to the user interface. It's powered by the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform and includes high-performance LPDDR5X memory and UFS 4.0 storage, so users now don't need to compromise when choosing a phone that fits in the palm of their hand. And with the Snapdragon Elite gaming features, Zenfone 10 offers excellent mobile gaming capabilities. The advanced 144Hz AMOLED display offers incredible color accuracy of Delta E-1, along with wide over 150% sRGB and cinema-grade 112% DCI-P3 color gamut for ultra-vivid colors in any conditions. Our collaboration with the leading visual processing company Pixelworks takes the excellent visuals even further. By the way, the display is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Now let's take a look at the cameras. The second generation 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer 2.0 in the 50 megapixels rear camera keeps videos even more blur-free and shake-free, even when the camera is moving. This innovative gimbal OIS monitors Zenfone 10's every movement in every direction and uses that information to adjust the whole camera model in real time. It can compensate for shifts of up to ±3 degrees, so it can help smooth out even the wildest action without optical distortion or ghosting. Combined with the ultra-fast autofocus technology and hardware EIS algorithm, Zenfone 10 delivers super smooth, professional-looking action shots whatever the subject. 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer 2.0 is complemented with the new adaptive EIS technology. It uses the built-in gyro to detect movement, allowing dynamic adjustments to the size of the field of view to keep videos rock steady at all times. Also, technology is supported as well. It allows to capture immersive surround audio and eliminate white noise. The photography experience has been further improved with the ability to access the light trail mode and quick shot functions, even when the phone's screen is turned off. Quick shot is a new feature that allows users to capture a photo instantly with a double press of the volume key. The 32 megapixel front camera on Zenfone 10 now features an RGBW sensor with a large 1.4 micrometers pixel for exceptional low light performance. White pixels are added to the traditional RGB pixels, improving the overall image quality when capturing images in the dim environment. There are advanced night scan algorithms helping to deliver night vision grade photos. When taking selfies at night or indoors with Zenfone 10, foreground subjects have a natural skin tone, clear contour and well-defined light and shadow. Background lighting and details are fully preserved as well. Other cameras modes have also been enhanced. Portrait mode has been upgraded with more flexible zoom options, and light trail mode now lets users capture professional grade photos handily with no feed for a tripod. Now, what about its audio capabilities? Designed with help from the audio experts at Dirac, Zenfone 10 delivers powerful, high-quality sound from its dual stereo speakers and amazing theater like spatial sound with Dirac Virtuo. It's perfect for immersive videos and gaming. By the way, the smartphone comes with this stylish case and supports a whole series of handling model accessories from the Connex ecosystem. Now the last thing, I want to say this is a stunning device. Mobile photography and video production have been getting more innovative, high-tech and easy to use. ASUS, and the new Zenfone 10 lets you achieve professional quality results. Ultra compact, light, stylish and fast. This smartphone is easy to use with one hand and features impressive performance, mighty capabilities in the palm of your hand. And now I'm going to tell you goodbye and see you soon. Thanks for watching. This is Nikita, and we have a lot of incredible and unexplored ahead of us. Stay tuned.